Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So as expected, DXY came for retracement and took support right at our level of 103 and we saw a perfect bounce. And moreover, we were also expecting or waiting for some big moves yesterday because of the speech of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. But sadly, we did not get the move we were waiting for, because you can see here Powell says the Federal Reserve has made no decision yet on whether to raise interest rates again. And for the last couple of days, market was bullish on interest rates, as a result of which we saw strong recovery on the chart of DXY. And as the news has changed right now, as the Fed has declared that they have not made any decision, so there is a possibility that on Monday the upside may not continue on Monday, or we may get to see the correction continuing, or we may get to see a sideways market on the chart of DXY, because the market sentiment that was pushing DXY towards the upside is no longer valid. Okay, so as a result, things may change for DXY right now. So DXY closed at 103.19 on Monday. If the correction continues, then the first support on DXY will be 102.65. Yesterday we saw our level 103 work perfectly because we had FIBO 38 for FIBO 23.6 around the area. Okay, so as a result, we can hope that on Monday FIBO 38.2 should work nicely. In case this level fails, we have the strongest support around 102.32 to 102.20, because we have Fibonacci 50% retracement around the area, as well as we have previous support. So these are the two levels that we need to keep our eyes on if the correction on DXY continues, because yesterday Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell clearly stated that they have not made any decision yet. Okay, so there may be some changes on the chart of DXY. Now let's look at the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. Honestly speaking, I had to spend a considerable amount of time just to find out where are the best trading opportunities. As the market is in clear downtrend. Okay, so in this type of market, the static support resistances do not work perfectly. Okay, and in this type of market condition, taking a sell position is always the better thing to do. But as we have seen that the market sentiment has changed recently, so we need to be extra careful on Monday, especially during the first half of Monday when the market will open. If possible, do not place any orders. Wait till the European session or the US session. And usually during the first half of Monday, we do not get to see much volatility. So as a result, it is advisable to trade after the European session only. And usually I use the 50, 100 and 200 moving average, but those moving averages were far away from each other. So as a result, today I had to use the 21 moving average, and I can clearly see, or we can clearly see right now, that 21 moving average is working as a dynamic resistance here. So if you just look at the chart, then in simple words, okay, there should be some selling opportunity around this area, and right after the market opening, if the downtrend continues, you can look for sell position, isn't it? If that happens, you can look for a sell position, but you need to be careful because the market sentiment has changed. You cannot trade solely on the basis of technicals, and you cannot trade solely on the basis of fundamentals. You need to combine fundamentals and technicals. Okay. So the fundamentals, there's a high chance that the fundamentals will change right now. If DXY shows further correction, then obviously market will try to go up from here. Try to understand my point here. So in that case, your observation will be very, very important here. So on Monday, if market starts falling from here, listen to me carefully. If market starts falling from here, if you want to take the risk, then that's your personal choice. You can go for a sell position. But there is a high chance that instead of continuing the lower low, lower high structure, market will take support this time. Okay, market may take support around the next important support of 1.0738 to 1.0713. This is the next support zone on the chart of Euro USD. Usually in this type of market, the support levels do not work. But as the market sentiment is seeing, there's a high chance that this time support may work. Once you'll see market coming down to the support, observe the market. If market takes support and bounces, you can clearly go for a buy position. And there's one more chance, one more possibility that market may not come to the support level and bounce from the previous low only. So market has been forming lower lows, isn't it? But the market sentiment has changed. So this time market may not form a lower low and market may simply bounce from here only. If that happens, you can also go for a buy position around the previous support of 1.0762. So these are the trading opportunities if market starts showing correction on Monday. Okay, and on the other hand, if market continues the upside because of the change in market sentiment, you may look for some quick selling opportunity around 1.0847 to 1.0840. Around this level, you can look for some selling opportunities. If market shows some price rejection from above, you can look for a sell. But on the other hand, you can also look for some selling opportunity around the 50 moving average, which is also the dynamic resistance for the market here. Okay, so be careful because the market sentiment has changed on Friday. Again, I'm repeating, if market shows upside right after the market opening, you can observe the market around this area, but usually market is silent on the first half. That's why you can expect some selling opportunity around 1.0840, 1.0847 area. If market breaks the level here, then observe the market around the 50 moving average here. It's the dynamic resistance, so I cannot give you the exact number, but it will be around 1.0875. Around this level, once market will hit the 50 moving average, switch to the 1 hour time frame and just see how the market is doing. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, market is showing shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, you'll get a confirmation that okay, sellers are present and you can look for a sell. Okay. But as I have already said, that the market sentiment has changed recently on Friday. So this time market may not continue the structure and market may take support around the previous low as well as the low made by the market here. And if you are wondering how I have derived this level, let me show you. Here I have used Fibonacci. Here we have Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level. Along with Fibonacci here, I am also using the price rejection from below. That's why we are confident on this level. And here also we are using Fibonacci here, okay, because it's a falling market, trending market. Along with Fibonacci, we are hoping that previous support will be acting as resistance. Okay, so follow the risk management properly because market sentiment may create some trouble. And my dear friends, as you guys already know that Hindi workshop is over and only 2 days left for the English workshop. If you like my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, if you really want to learn, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop. It's the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop. 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Everything is mentioned on the website. These are the benefits that you will be receiving during the 1 month of support, and you can see here that I have also shared my story, and most importantly, this workshop is not for complete beginners, designed for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money. So this is a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And lastly, the fees is the best part. You can see here only $15 for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. The dates, timings, everything is mentioned here. After the payment, simply share the screenshot to the WhatsApp number below, or you can also email me. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money because I'm also a trader like you. I can be wrong as well. So be careful. Bye-bye. Take care.